This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up both earbuds and the case. This ensures stable pairing. Press and hold the power or pair button until the LED flashes. This signals pairing mode. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and visible. Keeping the phone within 3 meters reduces dropouts. You want a charged battery so firmware and connections behave predictably. If one earbud has a separate power, turn both on. This foundation prevents common connection failures when you move to the next step. You now pair the earbuds with your device. Open Bluetooth, choose the earbud's model name, and accept any pairing prompts. Once paired, grant microphone and media permissions so calls and audio work properly. If a second pairing is needed for mono use, pair the primary bud first, then sync the secondary. Make sure both channels play sound. Test with a short track. If available, select noise canceling or transparency modes and adjust fit. Proper seal improves bass and reduces background sound interference. You finish by customizing controls and checking for firmware updates in the companion app. This improves stability and audio. Once satisfied, test a call and voice assistant to confirm mic routing. If issues arise, reset the earbuds per the manual. This clears corrupted pairings. Also try rebooting your phone or toggling Bluetooth, unpair and repair as a last quick fix. If trouble persists after those steps, contact support with model and firmware info so they can diagnose hardware or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.